Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage wear detection for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application. And of course your headphone should be connected with the app and turn on, then the application open for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and you need to find wear detection line. Maybe you need to scroll down a bit, tap at the wear detection line, and firstly we need to enable this mode. So tap one time the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And once we enable this mode, now we can manage it. So click at the music control, and right here you have three options what to do with this mode. So by default, when you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically stop to play your audio. And when you put them back, it will resume to play audio. You can set it to turn off to play audio when you remove them, but not when you put them back. Or is the same as first one, the third one, but you need to use both your earbuds to control it. And that's it, just select the best one for you by tap at this line, and then you can close this mode. If you want to disable wear detection, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!